Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making oven-baked barbecue spare ribs. Preheat your oven to 335 degrees. You will need 3 pounds of pork spare ribs, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. Combine the olive oil and liquid smoke. Mix well, then set it aside until later. In a separate bowl, combine the garlic powder, brown sugar, and onion powder. Now add the paprika, salt, and pepper and mix until well combined. Make sure you have removed the thin membrane from the back of the ribs and you have washed them and pat them dry. Now generously coat the ribs with the spice rub, the olive oil, and liquid smoke on both sides. Cover with foil, then transfer to the preheated oven and allow them to cook for 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove the ribs from the oven, then coat them with your barbecue sauce. Increase the temperature of the oven to 400 degrees, then return your ribs to the oven uncovered and allow them to cook for an additional 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the ribs from the oven and now they are ready to serve. These ribs are tender and delicious, and I really hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.